There is a motion to direct the Secretary General to immediately
Sa kabila ng
endorse
naunang pahayag ng
Senate
Pangulo na hindi siya pabor sa pagsusulo ng impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte, 250 na congressman pa rin ang pumirma pabor dito. 70% yan ang mahigit 300 nakaupong miyembro ng Kamara, karamihan, mga kaalyado ng Pangulo. Pero git ng Pangulo, hindi raw siya nakialam sa resultang ito.
Did you have a hand in this impeachment?
No, the executive cannot have a hand in the impeachment. Walang role ang executive sa impeachment.
But the conventional thinking, Mr. President, is that nothing comes to pass in the House without the President or without Malacanang's blessing.
Well, you give me too much credit. But again, what the House has done is clearly the mandate that they have been, the constitutional mandate that they have to proceed with the impeachment complaints.
Hindi naman itinanggi ng Pangulo na napag-usapan nilang impeachment ng mga kongresista. Nakumbinsi naman daw niya mga kaalyado na huwag mag-file ng reklamo. Pero hindi naman daw niya kayang diktahan na huwag i-endorso ang isang impeachment complaint kapag na-file na. Ang kanya mismong anak na unang nag-endorso sa impeachment, humingi raw ng payo sa kanya.
Do your duty. You have to support the process. You are constitutionally mandated to carry out that process. And you are a congressman, so do your duty. That's what I told him. I didn't know you'd be the first to sign, though.
Sinagot din ng Pangulo ang mga usap-usapan online na kapalit ng pagpirma sa impeachment ang malalaking halaga ng pera.
I don't think that kind of, two-thirds of the Senate, 306 sila. They got 215. So just a little bit over two-thirds, hindi mo makukuha sa ganong klaseng sistema yan. I know. I've been in Congress. I don't think that way of operating would have worked.
Ngayong nasa Senado ng impeachment complaint, nasa kanila na raw ang bola kung paano magiging gulo ng impeachment complaint.